Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case, unpackaging the iBELL spike guard. On the front of the package, we can see the spike guard itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. We have some eyeball branding up here and right here as well. On the bottom, we have a couple of model numbers, and the one that we have is the iBELL SG3245M. This is basically to show that we have the model with the 5-meter long cable. On the back of the box, we have a few of the salient features of this product, which includes its suitability for various countries and regions. It has a flame retardant protection, and it also has overload protection. The features continue down here as well, and here we can see that it has a 3-on 4-way socket. It uses the best quality copper parts. It has overload protection, as we already mentioned. Its maximum power rating is 2500 watts or 10 amperes or 250 volts. High quality ABS materials are used in the making of this product, and here we can see the 5-meter long cable feature. Underneath that, we have a couple of barcodes. On top, we have a sticker that has the manufacturing information, and right above the barcode on the sticker, we have some information regarding the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the spike guard itself. The unit has a white and blue color theme going for it on the top, and the top also has the plug points, 3 of them to be precise. The plug points have compatibility for various international plug types as well, and each plug has a power button of its own to activate and power that particular plug. On the left hand side, we have two USB Type A ports, which can be used to charge electronic devices directly without the use of an adapter. That too has its own power button. On the side, we have an overload protection button in red, and on the bottom, we have the various power ratings that we already went through on the box. Coming to the cable, we already know that it is 5 meters long, so we shall not be measuring it out, and the plug type is a standard 3-pin Indian plug. So let's get started with using this spike guard. Here we have the spike guard connected to a wall outlet, and we will be attaching a USB Type A cable into the USB slot. Next, we will be plugging that cable into a smartphone, and when we press the button, it should hopefully start charging the device. The LED light on the button also lights up, above the button that is, also lights up to indicate that the plug point is powered, and there is also a light underneath the USB interfaces to show that it is powered on. So this was the unboxing of the iBELL spike guard. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.